Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm going to share my take on this year's Black Friday deals. I'm going to do something a little bit different and just focus on 5 different offerings. I'm going to look at some which caught my attention and which I like because I feel they're innovative. And I'm going to look at some that are bread and butter, get the job done solutions. Even though I'm just looking at 5, I do have on the WebTNG website, you'll see if you click this button for current sales, there are more than 85 services, themes, and plugins that I've collected here and that are on sale. So take a look at the list and check out things that look interesting to you. The first plugin that I'm going to look at is called Advanced Themer. It's a Bricks add-on. If you're not using Bricks, then you can skip to the next item. If you are using Bricks and you're not using Advanced Themer, then I think you're really missing out. This is not a bread and butter essential plugin, but it's a huge quality of life improvement. You know, at the end of the holidays, you sit back and you go, well, I got a tie, I got some socks, or a scarf and a hat, and those are nice and those are useful, but what I really want is a license for Advanced Themer. So this might be something that you have to buy for yourself. The developer has added a feature finder here. Advanced Themer has a ton of features that add functionality to Bricks Builder or improve the builder and the workflow experience. Okay, just a huge number of features. So if you're a Bricks user and you don't have Advanced Themer yet, I suggest you come and take a look at this page and just scroll through and see all of the many features that are available. The Black Friday sale is going on now. There's a discount on the lifetime license, 20% off. That's the first plugin that I wanted to look at. Very innovative, lots of creative power going into Advanced Themer. The next item in the innovative category is GreenShift. It's mainly a block collection for Gutenberg. There are some pre-designed templates, but the action is really in the plugin. There's a free base plugin in the WordPress plugin directory, and then there are 5 add-ons. There's an animation add-on, marketing and SEO, charts, query add-on, and WooCommerce. For me, I really like the query add-on because it provides great support for dynamic data. It works with ACF and Metabox and Jet Engine and Pods. The other add-on that I see people really use a lot is the animation add-on for people who want to add engagement to their pages. GreenShift is very flexible, it's very fast, and you know that WordPress is in a state of transition from classic themes to block themes in the site editor. GreenShift works in the content editor of Gutenberg, it works with classic themes, and it works in the site editor and with block themes. So you're not limiting yourself to the old technology, which is tried and true, or cutting yourself off from the new technology, which is still a little bit cutting edge. Another thing I like about GreenShift is, I bought it a couple of years ago. I've been following the developments, and I'm a member of the GreenShift Facebook group. The developer is really creative and on top of his game. He knows the technology inside and out. One con with GreenShift is that the user interface is in a state of transition, and a consequence of that is that the settings, the block options, are not always as consistent or easy to use as you might like. I've been using it on one of my sites for a while now. I've not had any issues with it. If we go down and look at the pricing, they've got different packs here, or collections of those various 5 plugins. I went for the all-in-one pack. And if we look at the pricing for that, you can see there are various packages here. The unlimited lifetime package is $400, but for Black Friday, the developer has given us a coupon, Dynamic WP, and that takes 35% off, brings it down to $260, which is a very attractive price. So that's a second Black Friday sale that has caught my attention in the innovative and creative category. Also in the innovative and creative category is Jet Engine. Jet Engine is the dynamic data custom fields plugin from Crocoblock. It gives you the user interface not only to create custom post types and taxonomies and custom fields, but also a lot of tools for displaying them on the front end. Archive listings, very sophisticated display conditions, custom queries. There are a ton of advanced features. They just came out with new AI integration, which will create a draft of your custom post type and taxonomy and custom fields for you based on your prompts. So this is another one in the innovation category. Crocoblock started out being Elementor only. They've added support for Gutenberg and for bricks, and Jet Engine works well with all 3 of those builder options. If we go to the pricing, okay, they have 30% off the lifetime deals. They have a 500 site license or an unlimited site license. This is too expensive for you. You can go down to Jet Engine and buy Jet Engine by itself on a yearly license for $26. Okay, that's incredibly cheap. If you're using it with bricks, this might be all you need. If you're using it with Elementor, then you might want a lot of these other plugins which add widgets to Elementor. If you're using it with Gutenberg, then you might also want to have Jet Theme Core, which is what allows you to assign templates for custom post types. Okay, if you're using bricks, you don't need that. That's Crocoblock. They've been around for a long time. Jet Engine is a very full-featured plugin, and it's very affordable. So that's the third product in the innovation category. Now I'm going to look at 2 which are in the bread and butter, meat and potatoes, get the job done category. And the first one is Cadence. Cadence has been around for a while now, and so it's a little bit expensive. This is their annual bundle, which is full bundle, $132 is pretty cheap annually, but it does renew at the regular price. And then this is the lifetime bundle. You know, I've spent the past year evaluating all of the page builders, all of the block collections, and Cadence is still the one that has the best balance between usability, ease of use, and advanced features. The Cadence Blocks Pro has great support for dynamic data. It also supports advanced custom fields, MetaBox, Jet Engine, and pods. It has support for ACF and MetaBox repeater fields. So it's pretty advanced. It works well, obviously, with the Cadence theme. It's a great match. There's a lot of synergy there. But it also works well in the site editor. Just like GreenShift, with Cadence, you're not boxing yourself into just the classic theme era. I've called it the Get the Job Done solution, but there is still a lot of innovation with Cadence. It's not dull and boring. For example, they recently released a navigation menu block builder. It's very full-featured and it works well in the site editor. It's part of their continual progression to support block themes in the site editor. They've also just released Cadence Insights, which is an A/B testing plugin that works with Gutenberg. There's a lot of value in the Cadence bundle. If you don't have a good site building solution already, then the Cadence Lifetime Bundle is something that's worth considering. The final plugin I'm going to look at is WP Vivid. One trend I've noticed is a lot more people are relying on the backup solutions that are done on the server by their hosting companies. Nothing wrong with that, but those backups are not always 100% reliable. And there really aren't very many backup solutions for WordPress that have a lifetime option and have attractive pricing. WP Vivid has lifetime bundles. You have 2 sites for $60, 10 sites for $83.40, 50 sites for $120.40, and unlimited sites for $179.40. That's incredibly attractive pricing. It has backup and migration. There are staging features, supports multi-site, and it works with a large number of cloud storage options. This is now a Wow and Pop plugin. This is a plugin for getting the job done. So those are the 5 Black Friday sales that I wanted to show you. Hope that you found this review of them interesting and useful. Thank you for watching.